Welcome to the Learning Pines YouTube. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to use your Wi-Fi laptop. First, locate the Wi-Fi icon, usually found in your system tray or settings. Click it to see available networks. Choose your network and enter the password if required. Once connected, you'll see a confirmation and you're ready to browse. This simple process gets you online quickly, allowing you to access the internet from almost anywhere with a signal. It's the first step to unlocking your laptop's full potential. To get the best performance from your Wi-Fi, keep your laptop within about 30 feet of your router. This ensures a strong signal. Try to reduce interference from other electronics like microwaves, which can disrupt your connection. If your router supports it, switch to the 5 GHz band for faster speeds. Also, remember to update your Wi-Fi drivers regularly. This can significantly improve both performance and security, giving you a smoother online experience. Encountering Wi-Fi issues can be frustrating, but many problems have simple solutions. Start by restarting both your laptop and your Wi-Fi router. This often resolves minor glitches. Check if other devices can connect to the network to determine if the problem is with your laptop or the network itself. You can also try forgetting the network and reconnecting to refresh your settings. Finally, ensure your Wi-Fi adapter is enabled in your device manager. These steps cover most common issues. Securing your Wi-Fi connection is crucial. Always use a strong, unique password for your network, ideally one with at least 12 characters, combining letters, numbers, and symbols. Enable WPA3 encryption on your router for the highest level of protection against unauthorized access. When using public Wi-Fi, exercise caution and consider a virtual private network or VPN for sensitive tasks. Regularly review your router's settings to ensure no unknown devices are connected, keeping your network safe.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.